We have a tropical rainstorm. Look at that. Lightning. The thunder. I've never heard thunder so loud.
I know.
Torrential tropical thunderstorm. We're in Jean's house now. We were sitting on the veranda having lunch about an hour and 20 minutes ago. Everybody's gone home now. We are alone. I'm looking out of the window. We've got bars on the window to stop me escaping.
You haven't shot now.
No,
You're
I'm captured
You're captured.
forever. See that lightning? That's amazing. Just heard a clap of thunder. It was so big. Look at the lightning. Enough about that for a noise.
Incredible.
Lightning like that. Jean's a little bit scared of it. The funny jumps every time the flap. We're going to be struck down by lightning here.
There's too much of it. I've never known such a storm.
It's unique.
The display has been put on for your benefit.
Obviously put on for my benefit. It's just going on and on. More lightning.
Oh.
A big one. What about that one?
No, I don't know.
Oh well. Back to my tea. I've had enough fun.